My name is Elena Besudovska and I'm from Ukraine. I'm food blogger.
Three generations, grandmother's wisdom, my mom's hands, and my voice will introduce you to the endless beauty and deliciousness of the south of Bessarabia. We're going to show you authentic recipes that were passed on from a generation to a generation like folklore by the keepers of our family. We will try to convey all our skills and deliciousness of our meals into this book. We hope that this book will make you fall in love with our land, our traditions and our food. And who knows, maybe someday you will come to Bessarabia to check it for yourself, because there's nothing better than own impressions.
From Ukraine with love.